Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, guys, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel and you've not done that, do us a favor by clicking on the subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. So, guys, if you're also yet to follow us on Telegram, we will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section, because on Telegram channel we'll be putting out some potential trade movements, some potential trade we should be expecting, right? We will be sharing it on Telegram. You can also contact us on Telegram also. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's take a look at what you will be expecting on gold. So let's start with this. You can see that this is clearly an uptrend move. And you can see that we've actually got into this level, which is our resistance level. You can see it, right? You can see that markets came to this resistance level, it dropped, right? You can see it also, it came to this resistance level. What did it happen? It dropped. Then if you take a look at it, it also came to this resistance level, and it's dropped. Now if you see it, market is already coming to this resistance level, which it has actually tapped out from it. Guess what will happen? A lot of traders will start stacking in their sell here. Do not sell. I can assure you that gold will definitely break this resistance level. Gold still has a bullish move. So basically on gold, I'm still seeing it heading straight to level of probably 2090. That is the level I am expecting gold to go to. Currently, we are trading at 2041. Gold is still heading to a level of 2090, even break above it. So yes, you might get a pullback from this level, which is the resistance level, right? You might be thinking, okay, there's a pullback here. You might be seeing price can give us a pullback here. That does not mean it is a sell. And if you want to sell from this level, there should be a very short term sell. Do not sell as a reversal, because when you go ahead and place your sell thinking it will start reversing and drop down, no, it will not. It can only sell as a pullback. Then we would continue the movement to the upside, give us a new higher highs. So thereby taking us to the 1 hour time frame. So if you take a look at this gold, let's start with this movement. I will see this to be an higher highs here, this to be our higher lows, this will be seen as our higher highs here, our higher lows, mini pullback right there. If you take a look at this, is a massive movement, which is an higher highs. So since we've gotten to this resistance level, expect a pullback anytime soon. So if you want to sell, it should only be a short-term sell, not a sell for reversal. Just a short-term sell. Then gold will continue the movement to the upside. So basically, we are going to be breaking this resistance level, and we will continue the movement to the upside. The link to our Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram.